Rajasthan. He has investments in IDBI Bank. Hi Vinod, good afternoon. आपका सवाल क्या है? How can we help you?
गुड आफ्टरनून सर। सर मैंने IDBI 93 पे लिया था 7,000 शेयर।
ओके
सर इसका आगे का क्या रहेगा सर फ्यूचर?
ओके और विनोद जी आप लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर हैं?
नहीं सर, शॉर्ट टर्म सर, जनवरी फर्स्ट वीक तक रख सकता हूँ सर।
Okay, let's see how it's doing on the chart. First, Ashish, let's come across to you and then we'll come across to Vijay to get a quick fundamental view. Ashish, what's your take? He's a short-term investor. He's making losses currently. Should he hang on to it?
Hi, see the overall trend in the banking space, we can see it's on the downside. There has been pressure seen across PSU banks. I mean, you look at PNB or SBI or in fact IDBI as well. IDBI have managed to outperform to some extent, but there has been pressure definitely. So over short term, I would suggest that use a stop loss of 81 on downside. In case that stock tumbles below 81, then it's better to exit. And over the medium term horizon, if you look at the charts, then since 2012, the stock has been moving in a range. On upside, it is failing to cross above 115, and on downside, around 55 is the very strong support level. So it's a broad range, but it has been moving in a range and has not given any kind of investment returns. So it's better to stick with the private sector banks in case he wants to invest. And from trading perspective, as I said, there can be some short-term move on upside towards 105, where he should exit his positions and use a stop loss of 81 on downside.
ओके सो विनोद जी, आपके लिए टेक्निकल राय तो यही है कि जो 80 या 81 का स्तर है उसको आपको अपना स्टॉप लॉस बना के चलना चाहिए, क्योंकि स्टॉक में काफी टाइम से ज्यादा मूवमेंट नहीं हुई है। इसलिए अगर ये अब आपको दिखता है कि 80-81 के नीचे आ रहा है तो उस टाइम आपको जरूर इसमें से निकल जाना चाहिए। उसके अलावा आप इसमें फिलहाल बने रह सकते हैं।